Assalamu alaikum everyone. Look at this beautiful sky. Who create this beauty? It's only Allah. Allah Azwajal create all this universe so beautiful. Look at this sky. It's all around beautiful with the different colors of sky, and here is rising of sun. Allah Almighty create all these beautiful things for us. We keep enjoying and love it. Allah Almighty is the one who create this all. Wow, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah. So beautiful color on the sky. Mesmerize us with its beauty. Thanks for watching.